Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. Are you facing call indeed problem on Instagram? Here's the solution. Firstly, open the settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now, tap on the Instagram. Here, click on the storage and cache. And again, tap on clear cache. Okay. Now, go back to the home page and open the Play Store app, and at the bottom tap on the search option and search Instagram. Now tap on update and wait for it to update. Again, go back to the home page and open the Instagram app. At the bottom right corner, click on the profile option. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and click on the helps option. Click on report a problem. A few options will appear. Click on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Write a message exactly as shown on the screen. And click on the send option, and your problem will be solved. Now you can call easily to anyone. That is and yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.